What you doing, girl, with all of that? Oh, nothing. It's your girl, Corby, and I am here today to make some more shrimp fried rice. You guys are asking me about why I didn't put it in the pot. So I am here to redo it again and put it in a pot. You can find me everywhere on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, of course, right here on YouTube at The Corby Show and also on BeatGo. Okay. So I hope to see you all over there very, very soon. Anyway, what I am doing is opening up my boxes, getting my stuff prepared because preparation is key. You have to prepare your food, and that is just what I'm doing as of right now. So I am going to take the chicken out of the pack, put it on the cutting board, move that white paper out the way, that little fresh thing that's supposed to keep the chicken fresh, and we about to get up here and slice and dice this meat. Okay, we gonna go ahead and slice and dice it because, baby, let me tell you something. That's just what we about to do. Okay, no, that's what we doing. I don't like the chicken thick like that, so I am cutting it all the way down into square pieces because I don't like any chicken, not even in my Alfredo shrimp Alfredo. I don't even like it that thick. So, yeah. Now, this gristle, I hate the gristle. So, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I do not cook this at all. It's just disgusting to me, and it's just nasty. So, I throw it in the trash where it belongs because that's where it belongs. I then put the butter inside of the skillet and I get ready to go ahead and pour the rice aroni inside of the pot. That is what you're supposed to do because you're supposed to put it in there and you're supposed to allow it to brown. I did not really feel like cooking no big old meal today, so I'm so grateful that I am able to cook the shrimp fried rice today because I just did not feel like doing it with the newborn and everything. So then I go ahead and I grab another skillet and I place butter inside of there because I like my chicken cooked in butter, not oil when I'm making meals like this. And I go ahead and rinse the chicken off, wash it, rinse it. It's all the same thing, okay? I'm just grateful that I didn't put any soap suds in it. And then I go ahead and place my chicken inside of the pan with the butter. The butter is going to melt itself, so don't worry about that. You know, the heat is hot, and I season it with some seasoning salt and some Goyo and some Slap Your Mama. Is this Slap Your Mama? Toyo seasons, Tony seasoning. So that's what I'm using, Tony seasoning. And that chicken looks really, really good. And then I move the chicken around so all the flavors can be inside of the chicken. And you just need a little bit of butter. In the meantime, my shrimp is unthawing because it was frozen when I got it from Kroger today. And now I'm back doing the rice and roni. Like I said, you want to make sure this rice and roni is like brown. Like it has to be brown. It can't be like half brown because I'm going to tell y'all something. It is not going to be right. I'm just being honest with y'all. If the rice and roni is not brown like this, it's just not going to be right. So now since this is done, I go ahead and pour the water inside of the rice and roni because I am getting it prepared to be seasoned. And in this step, I use 2 bottles of water. And I use 2 bottles of water because when it cooks down, it like evaporates and then it sticks to the pot. And I did not want that to happen this time. So that's why I used 2 bottles of water. I went ahead and put the chicken seasoning inside of the rice and roni. And then I began to stir that as well. In the meantime, it is time to get these shrimps ready, baby. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and season that with some Tonys as well. And it looks so not good right now. And I put a little bit of Old Bay in there because Old Bay go on seafood. And so I went ahead and smushed it all around because, you know, I got to get that seasoning on there. Now, you don't want to season shrimp too much because it'll taste very, very salty. Now, as you can see, this rice-a-roni is cooking down the way it's supposed to. And it's looking pretty, pretty yummy and juicy. Very yummy and juicy. And that's the way I like it. So as we got that going, we're going to go ahead and put the chicken because now the chicken is done. We're going to put the chicken inside of the rice and roni, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to bring that on over there to a stir. But don't that look good, y'all? Don't that look good? That's looking real juicy and good. And let me tell you something. It's going to be good. So I do not want to wash this pan out. I want to keep the seasoning from the chicken inside of the pan because now I am going to get ready and prepare my shrimp. I cook my butter and shrimp as well. I usually do olive oil sometimes, but in this situation, I'm going to do it in butter. I like cooking it in butter as well because it's more tasty to me versus with the olive oil. I don't know. That's just a me thing. So it's just a me thing. That's all. It's just a me thing. I mean, I know a lot of y'all like, oh, we can cook it in olive oil and, you know, you don't cook it in butter, but I like to cook it in butter. And I'm going to keep this seasoning from the chicken inside of here too, even though I had already seasoned the shrimp. But This is not going to make it salty at all. It's going to make it good. Now, when a shrimp start turn pink, that's how you know it is starting to get done. Okay, and shrimp does not need to be cooked that long at all. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all. My children do like this. They really like the shrimp fried rice. Well, actually, the last time I didn't put shrimp in there. I didn't even put chicken. I'm sorry. I did not put chicken. I put shrimp. But today, I just wanted to go ahead and try something different. I wanted to put chicken in there. And so that's exactly what I did. These shrimps are looking really, really scrumptious. And now that they are done, we are going to go ahead and keep stirring it around for a second because I have to make sure that the seasoning is just in there, and then it just look good. In the meantime, I'm going to use corn and sweet peas, and I'm going to mix them together because that's what's going to go inside of my shrimp fried rice today. I could not find any carrots, and I did not feel like chopping any carrots down, and so I just wanted to do what was quick, fast, in a hurry. This is literally like not even an hour meal, you guys. This is like literally a 30-minute meal, and it's literally 30 minutes. Now that's done. We're going to go ahead and put the shrimp inside of the rice-a-roni. And this is what everybody was talking about because they wanted me to go ahead and mix my food together. Because last time when I cooked it, I had everything separated, which was the shrimp and the rice. I just wanted to eat it separated, but I went ahead and put it inside of the pot for you guys now. So since that's the way you guys wanted to see it, and this is what it looks like, and it looks good. That shrimp look really, really done. It looks really, really juicy. It looks really, really hot, and it looks really, really good. And let me tell y'all gonna go ahead and you're gonna stir all of that around, and it is smoking, piping hot, you guys, okay? But you're gonna stir it all around, and it's going to be really, really good. I'm telling y'all, 30 minutes, literally. It doesn't take that long to make the shrimp. It doesn't take that long to make the chicken, and it really doesn't take that long to do the rice and roni. If you do it all at the same time, you can get done in 30 minutes. If you do it separately, then it might take you an hour. I just did it all in 30 minutes, but this is the creation of it. And let's taste. What you doing, girl, with all of that? Oh, nothing. Oh, nothing. Eating some shrimp fried rice. And this is the result of my creation. And when I tell you, baby, it tastes good. It tastes good. Now, you don't have nothing without no ranch. Let me tell y'all something. Ranch goes on everything. Don't judge me, judge your mama, okay? But in the meantime, don't forget to follow me on all platforms. Bye.